Thankfully, major incidents involving fuel oil tankers are few and far between. But should the worst happen, Scania and HOYER UK Limited have joined forces to create an emergency response service which is ready to react anywhere and at any time. This unique service was tested recently at a major demonstration organised by the Metropolitan Police, where a tanker containing water rather than petrol was overturned in order to simulate a road traffic accident. Representatives from more than 25 police forces, fire services and other authorities from across the UK were invited to attend and witness the event. The exercise began with a police officer calling the emergency phone number on the HAZChem plate on the tanker. All such calls go through to HOYER UK's National Control Centre, which immediately puts the company's emergency plan into action. HOYER's incident controller has the power to call upon any services needed, which in this case involve the Scania emergency response system. A single call to Scania assistance is all that's needed here. Scania's specialist teams have been fully trained by HOYER. They know exactly what is expected of them and how to work in conjunction with HOYER's personnel to best effect. The demonstration situation called for a recipient tanker to take the load from the vehicle that had turned over. Fuel tankers are liable to lose their structural integrity in the event of a rollover, so it was essential to transship any product before making any attempt to right the stricken vehicle. On arrival at the scene, the Scania team were briefed by HOYER's incident controller before setting to work. The tanker was not leaking, but the offloading process required a hose to be connected to the tank, an action which in itself could cause a spillage. So before transshipping, an inflatable boom was placed around the tanker to contain any product that might be lost. Thereafter, the load could be safely transferred to the recipient tanker. At the appropriate time, the vehicle recovery crew is called in. Here, Scania has an agreement with Essex-based D&G Cars, which provides around-the-clock nationwide recovery service. Inflatable bags are used to gently take the weight of the tank and transfer it to the lifting straps of the wreckers. Within 20 minutes of D&G arriving on scene, the overturned tanker was back on its wheels and ready to be taken away for a detailed safety inspection. The whole event was a resounding success, commented Metropolitan Police organiser Chief Inspector Duncan Morley. Everything went like clockwork, and all of us observing were most impressed by the professionalism of the teams from HOYER, Scania and D&G Cars. What's more, they worked with our own personnel seamlessly. This event was all about showing how a potentially disastrous situation can be recovered safely and efficiently, which is exactly what was achieved. It certainly gives us and our colleagues from other forces great confidence for the future. Our congratulations and gratitude therefore go to all concerned for a most impressive display.